Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This side Rashri Kaushik, and here we are going to study the human circulatory system, which is a part of class 11th, in which we are going to deal how our heart work, what does its function, how it work, and how the blood passes from heart to the other organs. So let's get started. I hope you guys don't mind because I am taking all the sessions in English. So please, you just suggest me next time that in which language do you prefer to study? Like English, in which both Hindi as well as English, which is a mixed up, or simple English, because I am not able to take class properly in Hindi. So please suggest me in the comment box in which language do you prefer. So, human circulatory system. It is divided into two parts, open and closed. In open circulatory system, the heart pumps blood direct to the body cavity, or in closed circulatory system, the heart pumps blood with the help of blood vessels. There are some examples in open circulatory systems or in closed circulatory system. So, open circulatory system have arthropods and molluscus. In arthropods, the jointed appendages like animals are present, because these are two phylums and these are come in the taxonomic aid. These are actual taxonomic aid, and I'm deal with in chapter 1. So go and watch the lecture 1 which I taught of class 11th. So arthropod consists insects, while mollusca consists of snails, pila, apple snail like animals, while annelids and chordate have closed circulatory system. The chamber of heart. So all vertebrate possesses muscular chamber, in which fish have two chambered, one auricle and one ventricle. Amphibians have three chambered except crocodile. They have four chambered. So all amphibians have three chambered heart, in which two auricles and one ventricle is present. Then birds and mammals have four chambered heart, in which two auricles and two ventricles are present. Before knowing the circulatory pathway, we have to know about circulatory system. So circulatory system have three parts: single, incomplete double circulation and double circulation. So single contains fish, incomplete double circulation have amphibians and reptiles, while double circulation consists birds and mammals. Know about each in detail. So first is single. So I'm drawing a heart. I hope heart look like that, but it's not true, it's just imaginary. We hope that heart is like this, one side curve and the second. So let's know about the single circulation. So example is fish, in which heart pumps the deoxygenated blood, which is oxygenated by gills. I'm pointing that, mention it. So the deoxygenated blood is oxygenated by the gills, and through gills the oxygenated blood is transported to the body, and then after the body carried deoxygenated blood and returned to the hearts. Know about incomplete double circulation. So let's know about the incomplete double circulation. So amphibians and reptiles are consisting incomplete double circulation. Is a three chambered heart, two auricles and one ventricle. So aorta are left and right, and one single ventricle. So in left auricles, the body carried oxygenated bloods, which is gills and lungs, to the left atria, and deoxygenated blood carry from these parts to the right atrium, and they are mixed up together in the ventricle, and mixing of blood is called the incomplete double circulation. It's turn to know about the double circulatory system, in which they consist birds and mammals. So they possess four chambered heart, in which two auricles and two ventricles are present. They are divided into left and half divided into the right part. So the left carries the deoxygenated blood, while the right part of heart is carry oxygenated blood without mixing. I'm mentioning that without mixing. It is That's why this is called as double circulation. So I think that it's enough for today. In next session we study about the human circulatory system. So stay tuned with me for all that. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying with me. And the last but not the least, do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any query related this, please mention me in the comment section. I will be definitely reply this. Thanks for all. Take care. Bye and have a good day.